Alright, well, this is part 7 of the hand tracing table of the nested loops with you. I want to still to modify some few things where we left off here. Let me just clear off the bin right here and clear some of the stuff off of this right here. I hope you do take an opportunity to watch how I do this with this. This is a nested loop, and just modify some of the stuff with it as well. I is equal to 1. I'm just modify this I is now less than or equal to, let's say 3, and then we're going to increment I. 4, let's do j is equal to 1 less or equal to 5 with it. And we're going to play with this a little bit, just add a little tweak to this thing. We're still going to increment this thing. Inside of this even, I'm going to add in if j mod 2 equal to 0. Okay, and then if you do that, let me move this in here, create another block in here so you can actually see this. If that's the case, I want it to be an asterisk. Close that. Okay. Else. Then I want to put in side of this thing. Let's say let's do C out another shape so we can actually figure out what the heck we're doing when it becomes a false with it. Okay, so how about we do an underscore so we can actually figure that out with it and see what this comes out to be. Okay, so here's let's start this thing out. Remember now, you got output here and you got a C out right here. So you can see what's going on with this thing at the same time with this thing. I is equal to 1. Put in a 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. True. Enter the loop. Right? Alrighty, I'm already striking this out. Look at that. Makes it really easier. Let me remove all these properties out of it. Okay. Now j becomes 1. Okay. Enter this loop. 1 is less than or equal to 5. True. What's j here? J mod 2 equal to 0. J mod 2 is what? Is 1. Is that equal to 0? No. False. So what do you start out with? Is the else. So outside of this thing, I'm just going to put an underscore, and that underscore sits like that. So you increment j. J now becomes 2, 3, okay, 3 mod 2, okay, 3 mod 2 equal to 0. Alright, 3 mod 2, okay, that becomes true. So you come down here with an asterisk with that, okay, and then you increment j again. Hold on a second. Alright, let me continue where we left off in this thing. You have 3 in here, right? I'm sorry, j is 1, mod 2 is 1, right? So this is false. Goes down to underscore. You output the underscore. You increment j. J now becomes 2. 2 mod 2 is 0. This is a true evaluation. Okay, that will output you as the asterisk. This asterisk right here. So j is going to change to 2. This becomes an asterisk. 3. You increment j becomes 3. Mod 2 is 1 equal to 0, which is false. Okay, this will be false, so this will go to your asterisk. I'm sorry, underscore with it. So this is j becomes 3. This becomes an underscore. Increment j again to 4. Plug that in, still true. 4 mod 2 is 0. No remainder, equal. So we can use the asterisk again. So 4, and then you have the asterisk in this. And then you have your next one is going to actually come in. J is 5. 5 mod 2 is 1. 5 mod 2 is 1, which is false in this. So it becomes an underscore. I'm sorry, I didn't do 4. And then it becomes 5. And then you do an underscore. in this. And then your J is incremented to 6 again. Okay, 6. And if it's 6, 6 is less than or equal to 5, it is false. It skips this entire block. It comes down to the cout in line, comes down to nothing in the if statement, and you basically need to take this down to the next line. So if you look at the underscore, is 1, 3, and 5. 2 and 4 are the ones that are false with this thing. So you take this down to the next line. You do the same thing. This time, I becomes what? 2. Right? And you're going to repeat this again. Repeat this pattern. So why don't I just copy this thing? Every time when you repeat this thing, it goes into it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With it, okay? 1, 2 extra, okay? With this, so you have one through another pattern of this that's going on. It's going to go underscore, asterisk, underscore, asterisk, underscore, okay? So this is your second, and I becomes what? 3. And it does this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With it. Oop, not that. What I meant is this. Okay. With this. So this will give you another expression is here. Okay. So this gives you 3. Now, I becomes 4. You plug 4 in this thing. This is false. It skips this entire block of code right here. You see that? Doesn't even go in, but it does leave you with the last I is 4. Got it?